Good morning, bonjour, welcome back. This morning I went to the gym. I'm feeling good, and of course I'm having the munchies. This week I've been trying to eat very healthy as possible, I can't have all that crazy stuff, but I've had some really good meals. I'll share some pictures with you. And anyway, so let's get to it. Today I'm going to make pancakes. So for just 3 ingredients, you get so much out of it, and that's what I like about this whole meal. So lazy me doesn't want to get like a banana, a bowl and squish it. So what I'm going to do is put it in the blender because I do not have a food processor. Now we're just going to put everything in the blender. Our banana, crack an egg, 1/4 cup of oats, some baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla extract, and finally some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and pulse it. Next we cut up our strawberries and kiwis. I don't know, do you guys peel your kiwis? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today I'm going to. So I added a tablespoon of some olive oil to the mix, just so I don't have to put it on the pan while I make my pancakes, because it tends to be a lot sometimes, and this way I regulate it easily. Make our little pancakes. So we're waiting for them to get bubbly on top. Normally, because I make them with just bananas and eggs, they're kind of soft, so turning them is a little hard. So I guess the oats today are going to help a little bit, but I make them small so that they don't break. Now that the bubbles have formed on top, we're just going to add our strawberries, and then after doing that we flip them over. And you have to note that the other side doesn't have to stay on the heat long. Just maybe a minute is enough, and the heat is medium high. So you do the same for the rest of the mix, and voila, our pancakes are ready. Drizzle some honey on them. Now they may not look as good, but they taste amazing. They're ugly delicious. Drum rolls, curtain. Take a look. I miss these chocolate chips, but I'm not having any at the moment. But this is nice too. It's really nice. C'est bon. I still have some leftovers, and I'm so full. I'm just going to nibble on this as the day goes on. So you can see you don't need like so many ingredients to make a nice, healthy, satisfying meal. All it took was a banana, an egg, and some oats. Even if you don't have oats, banana and egg can do. With all the cinnamon and the vanilla, everything just comes together and makes it perfect. Just for the ingredients that it took, it's quite a filling meal because it's not that much and the calories are low. Just for my taste, I prefer them without any flour or any oats, because today was the first time I tried the oats. And I still prefer them without the oats because they are very fluffy and nice. And it's the first time I used the blender, maybe because it had oats. Maybe next time I'll try it without the oats and see what it's like. But I like the texture when I use the fork because it's a little bit chunky, and yeah, it keeps the moisture. If you want to see what I've been eating, you can check out my Instagram page, like the replacements for the healthy replacements I've been trying to do in the past couple of weeks. And yeah, so stay tuned to watch the next video to check whether or not I'm still on the health streak, or like I strayed and went to the savory munchies. But that doesn't mean that savory has to, even like healthy, that has to be boring. This wasn't boring, was it, guys? Was it? I don't think it was. And just to show you that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring, I'm going to make a nice savory healthy meal for you. I don't know what it will be. I don't know what I want to do next, but when I figure it out, I'll put a sneak peek of it on my Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. So be sure to check those out. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, like, comment, and share. So see you next time for my next Munchies episode. We don't know if it's going to be healthy or not. We'll find out. Bye.